So if you were to look at the Small Business Administration's minimum guidelines for small businesses and their lending requirements, the government classifies a small business as a business that has $5 million in gross sales within a year. $5 million is considered a small business.
Right.
So if your gross sales...
Oh, we're super small. Most people are super small.
Yes, however way you want to put it. But if you're doing $5 million in gross sales in 1 year, you're classified as a small business in government standards.
Right.
Now you possibly can get loans and funding without a personal guarantee.
I'm so glad.
So let's start there.
I'm so glad that you helped to numerize that, because it's a lot of people don't understand. They think that I'm a small business.
Yes.
But even in the pandemic, we saw that these businesses that we would think of as big businesses were still jumping in, getting the small business money, because they're still categorized as small businesses. But they're in a whole different league than your average mom and pop or other person that you know that owns a small business. Two totally different things.
Yeah, just since you just mentioned that, what the big businesses did was each location, say a chain of Kentucky Fried Chickens, right? Each location may only have, they said the loan was applicable for businesses that have 500 employees and below.
Right.
Right, and so if you look at one Kentucky Fried Chicken location,
just one location,
right, they may only have 10 employees or 12 employees
at that location.
Yes, and so they looked at that as they can qualify under a small business scenario, but they didn't take into account there are 300 locations,
right,
with 3,000 people, so they kind of snuck in.
There you go. Somebody
take advantage of the program.
knew what they were doing when that got snuck in, but we won't talk about that.